Now, also coming out of today's sitting of the PAAC, it was revealed that the victim at the center of a sexual harassment case at the Edna College has been given the green light to address the parliamentary committee. The woman is to appear before the PAAC next week. We have more in this report from TVJ's Anthony Lugg.
On Wednesday, the alleged victim of sexual harassment at the Edna College turned up in Parliament prepared to address the committee. But she would have to wait. This after all 8 government members of the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, voted against allowing the victim to publicly address the committee.
We have this young person who is going to be further put in the public's view and perhaps ridiculed and chastised in the public domain.
Simple point of order, Mr. Chairman. I understand from the communication that the student is the one who requested to be here. The committee never invited the person, they requested.
Gripping details about sexual harassment at Edna came to light in May this year when victims spoke of inappropriate touching and sexual advancements in a Sunday Gleaner exclusive. But after much back and forth between committee members about why the matter should be heard, this suggestion from Mikhail Phillips.
I make a suggestion, Chairman, that we hear them in camera and make a determination after that. But I think they ought to be heard by us, the committee itself.
If some wise man can say to me, this is what we will achieve in pursuing the line that my friend is going down, then I certainly would. But the issue of fairness, I can't overemphasize it.
And again, after much back and forth,
our members in agreement with the in-camera hearing. All right.
By this point, 6 of the 8 government members backed the in-camera appearance. The victim is expected to address the members next week. Meanwhile, committee member Marissa Dalrymple-Filbert commended the alleged victim for coming forward, adding that persons who sexually harass others should be exposed.
I want to support the fact that she came out. I want to congratulate her because I do not believe at all that this type of behavior should be cloaked in any way.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.